વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, SDU MCQ એગ્રીકલ્ચરની જે સિરીઝ ચાલુ કરી હતી એનો આ 10th પાર્ટ છે. PBG 3.3. આની પહેલાં આપણે PBGનો એક પાર્ટ કવર કરી લીધો છે અને આ 10th પાર્ટ છે. ફર્સ્ટ MCQ: Norin 10 is the dwarfing gene of Triticum aestivum. Plant breeding deals with improvement of yield, stress resistance and quality. Father of green revolution is any બોરલોગ ઇન્ડિયામાં પૂછાય તો MS સ્વામિનાથન. Which of the following is prerequisite for crop improvement is genetic variation? First artificial plant hybrid was produced by crossing between carnation and sweet william. C.A. Barber and T.S. Venkatraman are famous for their work in sugarcane. Which are the prime requirement for initiation of plant breeding work is variation in population. Brassica oil can contain anti-nutrient factor is erucic acid. Among which of the following scientists developed first cotton hybrid is C.T. Patel. Plant breeding can improve heredity of the plant. Resistance to shattering is an important objective among which of the following crop is green gram. જો તલ આવે તો તલમાં સૌથી વધારે. Among which of the following prerequisite for selection is variation? A development of embryo from synergid or antipodal cell without fertilization is apomixis. Each anther has 4 pollen sacs. A genetic variation in progeny produced due to which of the following? A genetic variation by segregation and recombination. When sexual reproduction occurs along with apomixis is known as facultative apomixis. Origin of embryo from egg cell of another embryo cell developed from diploid tissue is known as apospory. A process of formation of pollen grain is microsporanginesis. A triple fusion lead to development of endosperm. The embryo developed from embryo sac without pollination is parthenogenesis. The process of dehiscence of anther is known as anthesis. Protandry condition is found in bajra, in which female flower is mature first, then male flower is first. So it promotes cross-pollination. A crop showing less than 5% of crop pollination are considered as self-pollinated crop. Hercogamy condition found in lucerne and alfalfa. A situation when pollen from the flower of one plant into stigma of other flower. એક ફ્લાવરમાંથી બીજા ફ્લાવર of the same plant is known as gentonogamy. Clistogamy promotes self-pollination. ક્લિસ્ટોગ્લામીમાં કેવું થાય કે ફ્લાવર ખુલે જ નહીં, વીટની અંદર થાય. પ્રોટેન્ડરી કન્ડિશન વેન મેલ ફ્લાવર મેચ્યોર ફર્સ્ટ, એક્ઝામ્પલ મેઝ. alfalfa example of hercogamy. Lucerne and alfalfa example of hercogamy. A condition in which opening of flower after fertilization is known as chesmogamy, જે મૂગમાં થાય છે. A gentogamy condition found in maize crop. Land race are primary cultivated, જે farmer cultivate કરે એ. A full form of NBPGR, B stand for Bureau. In India, endogenous germ collection cultivated species carry prefix IC. Germplasm is also known as genetic pool, gene bank and genetic resources. The primitive cultivar which were selected and cultivated by farmer is land race. લેન્ડ રેસ એ ફાર્મર દ્વારા કલ્ટિવેટેડ થાય છે અને આપણે પ્રિમેટિવ કલ્ટિવેટર છે લેન્ડ રેસ છે. હેડક્વાર્ટર ઓફ NBPGR લોકેટેડ એટ ન્યૂ દિલ્હી. વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોવિંગ ઇઝ સબસ્ટેશન ઓફ NBPGR ઇન એરિડ ઝોન? એરિડ ઝોનનું જોધપુરમાં આવ્યું અને NBPGRનું સબસ્ટેશન જે મિક્સ ક્લાઇમેટ માટે અમરાવતી મહારાષ્ટ્રમાં આવ્યું છે. The law of homologous series of variation is proposed by Vavilov. A specific place or area or a region where crop plant where maximum variability and a center of diversity and a genetic origin કહી શકાય છે. A method is often used to correct some specific weakness of established variety is known as combination breeding. જો આપણે મેથડની વાત કરીએ તો માસ મેથડ છે એનો યુઝ થાય. ઓપ્શનમાં કોમ્બિનેશન બ્રીડિંગ આપ્યું છે એટલે એ આનો આન્સર છે. ન્યૂ જીનોટાઇપ કેનોટ ક્રિએટ બાય માસ સિલેક્શન. માસ સિલેક્શનની અંદર આપણે એ ન થાય, કારણ કે આપણે એમાં હોમોલોગસ છેલ્લે હોમોલોગસ જ વેરાયટી આપણે લઈએ છીએ એટલા માટે. બ્રીડિંગ બિહેવિયર ઓફ પ્લાન્ટ કેન બી determined through progeny test. Which of the following method of plant breeding is not used for asexual? તો પ્યોર લાઇન છે એસેક્સ્યુઅલ માટે યુઝ ન થાય, એ ખાલી સેલ્ફ પોલિનેટેડ માટે યુઝ થાય છે. વેરાયટી ડેવલપમેન્ટ ફોર સેલ્ફ પોલિનેટેડ ગ્રોથ. A variety is not uniform in the case of mass selection. Most basic method of crop improvement is domestication. Recurrent selection method of crop improvement can be grouped into population improvement. The first step of genetic improvement of plant species is domestication. The adjunctant of variety or population into new area is acclimatization. Who explains the origin of tetraploid species of Brassica is Nagaharu. Which of the following undesirable consequences related to plant breeding is narrow genetic base, genetic erosion, and susceptibility to minor disease and pest? A variety developed through mass selection is heterozygous heterogeneous. A gradual loss of genetic variability in a crop is genetic erosion. Loss of genetic variability is a genetic erosion. The plant introduced method used for self-pollinated, cross-pollinated અને વેજીટેટિવ પ્લાન્ટ ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન કરીએ તો એ ત્રણમાં આપણે કરી શકીએ મેથડનો યુઝ. સોનારા 64 and લર્નમાં રોજો wheat varieties are example of primary introduction. Jaya and Ratna variety of rice contain dwarfing gene is DG Woojin. Which of the following variety are good example of primary introduction is Taichunativam, IR28 ને IR8. આ બધા primary introduction ના example છે. Oldest method of crop improvement is plant introduction. નેમરા સુંડામાં mass selection આપી ગયેલ છે. Genetic variation in pure line may be arise due to mechanical mixture, outcrossing and mutation. Mass selection always based on phenotype. Purity of existing pure line variety can be maintained regular by mass selection. Purity of existing pure line variety છે એને આપણે મેન્ટેન કરવી હોય તો એના માટે આપણે માસ સિલેક્શનનો યુઝ કરવો જોઈએ, પ્યોર લાઇન સિલેક્શનનો નહીં. A different rate of reproduction is a selection. Maximum variability found in F2 generation. Woolmorin practice individual plant selection in sugar beet to improve sugar content. A selection provides an opportunity to isolate the most desirable genotype is heterozygous. A selection provides opportunity for isolation of most desirable genotype is heterogeneous population. Among which of the following always done based on phenotypic performance is mass selection? Pure line is a homozygous homogeneous condition. Among which of the following method not applicable for close pollinated crop? The pure line selection. The performance is almost same in F1 and F2 indicate presence of additive gene. The differential response of varying genotype under change in the environment is G into E interaction. Wright classifies genetic variance into additive and non-additive variance. Wright classifies genetic variance into additive and non-additive variance. Marther classifies genetic variance into heritable fixable and heritable non-fixable variable. A variable due to average effect of gene on all segregating loci is additive variance. A variance due to the deviation of heterozygote from an average of two homozygous is dominance variance. A variance due to deviation of heterozygous from an average of two homozygous is dominance variance. A self-incompatibility system arises due to difference in flower morphology. તેમાં આવશે heteromorphic. હોમોમોર્ફિક એટલે ફ્લાવર મોર્ફોલોજીમાં કાંઈ ચેન્જ ન આવે પણ એની અંદર કેમિકલ કાંઈ એન્વાયરમેન્ટલ કંઈક થયું હોય તો એના હિસાબે સેલ્ફ ઇન્કમ્પેબિલિટી થાય તો એને આપણે હોમોમોર્ફિક કે એની અંદર બે એક્ઝામ્પલ છે. ફોર ગેમેટોમોર્ફિક એટલે પોલેનની અંદર કંઈક પોલન ગ્રેન જે છે એની અંદર કંઈક વાંધો હોય તો એ, અને સ્પોરોફાઇટિકમાં સ્ટિગ્માની અંદર કંઈક વાંધો હોય. સાઇટોપ્લાઝમિક જેનેટિક મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી સિસ્ટમ બી લાઇન છે એ મેન્ટર લાઇન છે. ઇન મેલ સ્ટેરલ સિસ્ટમ 2 lines isogenic in nature, A અને B line. Which of the following are compactable mating? Pin into thumb is compactable mating. Thumb into pin is a compactable. Pin into pin non-compactable. Thumb into thumb non-compactable. It is a type of homomorphic self-incompatibility. Which of the following male sterility system generally used without depend on cross species is chemically induced male sterility? The term self-incompatibility was coined by Stout. Which of the following is not compactable mating? Thumb into thumb નથી, pin into pin એ પણ compactable mating નથી, એટલે આ બેના ઓપ્શન આવે છે. થ્રમ ઇન્ટુ પિન છે આ કમ્પેક્ટેબલ મેટિંગ છે, એટલે નોન કમ્પેક્ટેબલ મેટિંગમાં એ અને બી બે ઓપ્શન આવે. વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોઈંગ મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી સિસ્ટમ ઇઝ મોસ્ટલી એપ્લિકેબલ ઇન વેજીટેટિવ પ્રોપોગેશન? તો CMS જે ગ્રેન્સ માટે યુઝ નથી થતી, વેજીટેટિવ પ્રોપોગેશન માટે યુઝ થાય. CGMSમાં આપણે યાદ રાખશું બાજરાનું એક્ઝામ્પલ. આની અંદર આવશે સોરગમ, વીટ, રાઈસ. ઇન ધ કેસ ઓફ ગેમેટોફાઇટિક સિસ્ટમ વિચ ઓફ ધી ફોલોઈંગ પાર્શિયલ કમ્પેક્ટિવ, પાર્શિયલ એટલે 50%, તો 50% આની અંદર છે. S1 S2 S2 S3 એટલે S2 બે વાર છે એટલે એ 50% વાર આવે. આ જે છે એ 100% છે, કારણ કે એક પણ જીન રિપીટ નથી થતો એલિલમાં. આ છે એ અનકમ્પેક્ટેબલ છે અને આ છે એ 100% કમ્પેક્ટેબલ છે. અ કોઝ ઓફ મેલ સ્ટેરિલિટી ઇઝ જેનેટિક cytoplasmic and interaction of cytoplasm and genetic male sterility. Among which of the following types self-incompatibility knows arise due to difference in flower morphology? Flower morphology માં ડિફરન્સ ન થાય તેનો આન્સર આવશે હોમોમોર્ફિક આવશે, અને આ બે એનો આન્સર 3 ઓલ ઓફ ધી અબોવ એનો આન્સર આવશે. હોમોમોર્ફિક અને એના આ બે ટાઈપ છે. Cytoplasmic genetic male sterility B line used as maintainer line. TWIF 23A is male sterile line of pearl millet. CGMS system does not have C line, A line male sterile line, B line maintainer line, R line restore line. Concept of male sterility was given by Jones and Davis. A cross between two genetically dissimilar homozygous parents is known as hybrid. In a cross-pollinated species, a true breeding line developed by continuous selfing is known as inbreed. A number of possible single cross excluding reciprocal is calculated by n-1 by 2. Most commonly used hybridization method in crop improvement is intraspecific hybridization. For accurate genetic study, which emasculation method is most suitable? તો એમાં hand emasculation system. A selfing reduces heterozygosity in each generation by 1/2. The promotion of completely homozygous plant equal to 2 to the power n-1 upon 2 to the power n power m. A hybrid between genetically different genotype of a species is intraspecific. A fresh seed need to be produced everywhere in hybrid variety. Which parent is used only once in a back crossbreeding method is donor. Which of the following method provide information about mode of inheritance of various qualitative character is pedigree method. Which method is generally used to improve specific character as well as adaptable variety is back cross breeding. Which of the following method is modified form of bulk method is single seed descent method. A main weakness of SST is plant loss. સિંગલ સીડ ડિસેન્ટ મેથડનું લિમિટેશન છે એ પ્લાન્ટ લોસ છે, કારણ કે એમાં સિંગલ પ્લાન્ટ 1000ની પ્લાન્ટ પોપ્યુલેશન હોય તેમાં 10 પ્લાન્ટ સિલેક્ટ કરવામાં આવે તો બીજા પ્લાન્ટ લોસ થઈ જાય. અ સેગ્રીગેટિંગ જનરેશન ઇન સેલ્ફ પોલિનેટેડ ક્રોપ કેન બી હેન્ડલ વિથ પેડિગ્રી મેથડ, SST મેથડ અને બેક ક્રોસ મેથડ. A population produced by which selection method has been heterogeneically with wider adaptation is bulk method. Which method is known as evolutionary method of breeding is bulk method. Modified pedigree method given by Harrington. A cross between hybrid with either of its parents is known as back cross. A basic requirement of back cross program is recurrent parent, donor parent, high hereditary character. Which of the following method is used for handling segregating generation is pedigree method. Modified form of bulk method is single seed descent method. Which of the following method take longer time to varietal development is bulk method. Pedigree breeding after F8-year homozygous plant are known as teind. A cross between inbred line and open pollinated variety is known as top cross. A cross between two inbred line is a single cross. Inbreeding depression maximum in cross pollinated species. આમાં સાચો આન્સર સેલ્ફ આવવો જોઈએ એટલે એકવાર જોઈ લેશું. The term heterosis given by Suhl. A method of applicable both self અને cross તેમાં આવશે heterosis breeding. પેડિગ્રીની અંદર પણ સેલ્ફ અને ક્રોસમાં કરવામાં આવે. આ વેરાયટી માટે છે. સિંગલ સીડ ડિસેન્ટ મેથડ એ સેલ્ફ માટે છે. આ એક બલ્ક મેથડની એડવાન્સ મેથડ છે. Which variance is associated with heterosis? SCA. Which estimate of heterosis is commercial or partial value? So economic heterosis. A hybrid which is superior to mid-parent value is known as relative heterosis. A hybrid GCH7 of castor among which type of hybrid is a single cross hybrid? A hybrid superior to its better parents is a heterobeltosis. If a 10 inbred cross in all possible combinations, the total number of direct cross will be 45. Which of the following are genetic cause of heterosis is dominance, epistasis and overdominance? Mating of two closely related individuals is known as inbreeding. Magnitude of heterosis is associated with heterozygosity. Heterobeltosis can be computed by mean value of following formula: F1 minus BP upon BP into 100. The formula F1 minus SC upon SC into 100 can be used to compute standard heterosis. Inbreeding depression is very low in the case of cross-pollinated. આનો આન્સર આવશે. આમાં આપ્યું છે self pollination. Which of the following is known as father of hybrid? That is Yang Long Ping. Diallele selective mating system is used for genetic improvement among self-pollinated species. Diallele selective mating system is for self-pollinated species. Method used for population improvement is recurrent selection. Among which of the following method is not appropriate for population improvement is a pure line selection. A population in which each individual plant having equal chance to mating with another. Answer all of this: random mating population, panmitic population, Mendelian population. The fundamental law of population genetics was developed by Hardy and Weinberg. Fundamental law of population genetics by Hardy and Weinberg. Among which of the following evolutionary force change gene frequency? Mutation, migration, selection and genetic drift. Repeated selection generation to generation. Simultaneously intermating of selected plant to provide genetic recombination is known as recurrent selection. Recurrent selection is more commonly in allogamous species. Which of the following is the best material for recurrent selection is open pollinated variety? Which of the following are basic assumptions of recurrent selection is absence of epistasis, absence of multipolarity, absence of linkage disequilibrium. In the case of simple recurrent selection, selection made on phenotype basis. Recurrent selection in which heterozygous tester is used is recurrent selection for GCA. Recurrent selection with homozygous હોય તો SCA. End product of recurrent selection is inbreed. Among which of the following efficient breeding method used for breaking undesirable linkage is disruptive selection? Yield prediction and reconstitution is possible in the case of synthetic variety. Synthetic and composite variety mostly relevant to cross-pollinated species. Base material used to produce synthetic varieties, open pollinated variety, inbreed and clones. A variety which produced by crossing between numbers of lines in all possible combinations which combine well with each other is known as synthetic variety. In the case of clonal vegetability, clonal or vegetative propagated crop, which type of cell division? Mitosis. Origin of genetic variance within clones is known as bud mutation. Genetic variation within clones, it is due to bud mutation, occasional sexual reproduction and mechanical mixture. A cell of an individual that consists of two or more different types of chimera. Cell of an individual that consists of two or more different type of genotype, તો એને chimera કહેવાય, chimera. A genetic constitution clone is a heterozygous homogeneous. Clone is a heterozygous homogeneous clone maintained by asexual reproduction. Asexually propagated crop differs from sexually propagated crop in respect to breeding material. A clone is degenerate due to increase in productivity. An allopolyploid which arises by combining genome of two diploid species is known as amphidiploid. A holoploid which arises by combining genome of two different diploid species is amphidion. Which of the following method considered a specific breeding method? એમાં આવશે ploidy breeding. Triticale was developed from cross between wheat into rye. The Raphinobrassica result due to combination of radish into cabbage. Radish પહેલા પછી cabbage. The mutation arises due to treatment of mutagenic agent is known as induced mutagen. The process of shifting hydrogen atom from the one position in the another position in purine or pyrimidine is known as tautomerization. Sarbati sonara is the mutant variety of wheat. A numerical change in entire genome is known as euploidy. Change in one or few chromosomes is aneuploidy. જીનોમમાં ચેન્જ થાય તો યુપ્લોઇડી અને ક્રોમોઝોમની અંદર ચેન્જ થાય તો એનુપ્લોઇડી. An individual having more than two basic set of chromosomes is polyploidy. Polyploid which originated by multiplication of chromosome of a single species is a autopolyploid. Polyploid individual which combine complete genome from two or more is holopolyploid. Autopolyploid એટલે polyploid which originated by multiplication of chromosome of single species. Polyploid individual which combine complete genome from two or more species. બે થી વધારે species હોય તો holosome. The process by which the polyploid species behave like diploid is diploidization. Which of the following is the example of artificial holoploid is a triticale? Which of the following are typical distant hybridization? Interspecific and intergenetic hybridization. Intergenetic hybridization give rise to fully fertile, fully sterile and partial. Intragenetic hybridization give 3 First intergeneric hybridization is cross between intergeneric by Rimpu wheat into rye. Intergeneric cross between radish and cabbage by Kuiper-Chenko. Wheat અને રાઈનું કર્યું એ રિમ્પોએ કર્યું. કેબેજ અને રેડિશ અને કેબેજ વચ્ચે કાઇપર-ચેન્કો. Which of the following has evolved through wide hybridization is critical? The concept of plant ideotype given by Donald, a method of crop improvement which used to increase genetic yield potential through genetic manipulation of specific plant is ideotype breeding. Which of the following steps ideotype breeding are correct sequence? Development of theoretical model, selection of base material, inclusion of desirable trait and phenotypic selection. The total dry matter production per plant is known as biological yield. Harvest index is the ratio of economic yield to biological yield. Which of the following is the cheapest and best method of stress resistance is genetic resistance. An ability of some genotype to give higher yield as compared to susceptible variety at the same level is a genetic resistance. An ability of some genotype to give higher yield as compared to susceptible variety at the same level of infection is genetic resistance. Various characters of plant which make the host unattractive to insect pest for hibernation, food or even reproduction is not preference non-acceptable and anti-xenosis effect. The source of stress resistance in a crop are cultivated species માંથી વાઇલ્ડ સ્પીસીસ માંથી અને જર્મ કલેક્શન માંથી એ આપણે સોર્સ લઈ શકીએ છીએ. A mechanism of crop plant which cause adverse of insect pests on feeding growth and even reproduction is antibiosis. A sturdy resistance is also referred to long ensuing resistance. Genetic resistance is the heritable features of host plant that supply or retard the development of pathogen or insect pest. Genetic resistance governed by one or few genes is known as specific gene. A genetic resistance provides protection against all race of pathogen is a horizontal resistance. Gene for gene hypothesis first developed by Flohr. Under moisture stress condition, plant having ability to maintain internal water balance is a drought avoidance. Plant withdraw against low tissue water content is a drought tolerance. The property which result from brain of person, idea, product, process which can be used in commercial purposes, intellectual property. The right associated with thing with unique features is a sui generis right. Sui generis right include which of the following? It include plant breeder right. A primary intellectual right include among which of the following? It include copyright, trademark and patent. Sui generis right include among which of the following? It include plant breeder rights, database rights and farmer rights. Name of any region or specific plant or country used to describe an agriculture, natural or manufactured fruit or foodstuff is known as geographical indication. A plant breeder rice also known as plant variety rice. A period of production of field crop under PPV and FRI are 15 years. A period of protection of tree and horticulture crop is 18 years. Field crop નું 15 year, tree and horticulture crop નું 18 year. The basic requirement for protection of plant variety under PPV and FRA is novelty, distinctiveness and uniformity and stability. PBG 4.4 next part માં cover કરશું. Thank you.